everybody. In the next few minutes, I'm going to be installing the remote plug-and-play start in a 2019 Audi S5.
So the first thing that we're going to do is grab the key box out of our install kit. You're just going to use a little screwdriver, pop it open here. We need to take the battery out of one of the remotes, and then the remote is going to reside in the box. Close it up, and then it has a port here that plugs into our harness. So to remove the battery, you have a little press tab on each side, so just go ahead and push that, and then you can pull the key shank out. Push those same deals and pull the piece out right there, and there will be a battery in here, which obviously I've already removed, so pop it out. Go ahead and reassemble the key. And step one is done.
In the trunk of my car, in the left side, is a little panel, and the panel just simply comes right out. My BCM seems to have like a cage on top of it with some other type of a module. I'm going to be able to simply take that off by pushing up this clip right there that I've got pointing with the pen, and then it's going to open up like a clamshell. So here you can see that I've rotated the other module and the cage out of the way. There's the BCM that I need to basically take the cover off. And over here, right there, is the one nut that I have to remove. So I'm going to do that. Here is what is called the body computer. And as you can see, there are the connectors, and I'm going to simply match them up by color and plug in the harness.
Grab your pry tool or your screwdriver. These do have the lock clips on it, so basically they're down. You cannot get to the clip, so just pop that little red tab up, and now you can push the tab in and release it. You will be able to see that on our harness here, how that is positioned. So go ahead and take that one out. I usually do these one by one. You plug it in, pop the tab down, go ahead and plug our harness back in, and do that for the following connectors. Once you have everything installed at the BCM, grab the key box and plug the green connector into it. Now go ahead and grab the remote start module and the other end of our harness. Follow the install guide on how to connect and program the module. But once you have everything plugged into it, you basically just turn the ignition on. It'll self-program in about 15 seconds. Turn the ignition off and you are good to go. So let me go ahead and program this thing up, and then we'll give you a demonstration on how to use it.
And then press the remote 3 times. There it is. Very happy. It went pretty well.